Welcome everyone. I'm joined today by Meir, the CEO of Technoso, who's going to be introducing us to the company. Meir, how are you doing?
I'm great, thanks. How are
Yeah,
you?
I'm doing fantastic, thank you. I was hoping to learn a bit more about Technoso and maybe you can tell me how things started with the company.
The company was started about 8 years ago, but my partner, Shimon, he was for many years an integrator for regular and, like we say, normal parking systems. And he started this company as another company that integrates a regular and install and service parking systems. And a few months later, I joined in, and we started looking and seeing things in the way of things should be in the 21st century. And the company slowly became a development company, a manufacturer company, and the company was later then, about in 2017, became almost we opened the startup company. So Technoso from and then today is manufacturing, developing, of course, and installing and servicing full package, one-stop shop services for parking and access and management systems. Of course, with the initial costs and the idea of best customer service and best customer experience. So we started from the bottom up because of the, let's say, combined 30 years of experience of my partner and I. We were able to establish a very affordable system and solution for clients.
And what are the solutions then that you provide in this full package system?
First of all, the solution is we look in the parking system in a parking lot as an asset. It needs to, of course, cost minimum as possible. Needs to maintain and the minimum as expenses as possible. Needs to have no perishable materials. It needs to be fully automated. It needs to be, of course, with the best possible experience of the customers, and of course, the bottom line for you, the owner, to increase your revenues. So, what we did is it established, first of all, an idea, and after that, we started developing a system and solution. We also have a partner company that we are together giving the solution with the cloud services. So the idea is that the entire method of payment, the entire services, the entire, let's say, headache is our problem. The customer, the owner of the parking lot, and the end user, the user, the driver, doesn't need to have any more supplier, any other address to refer to if he has any question, if he has any problem. And in the in the gate in between, we are also giving the services, of course, by ourselves. So the idea is, if we are dealing with all of the problems, let's say the headaches, so we needed to make it minimum as possible. So we created a system that is cloud-based, ticketless, and completely wireless. And of course, the first system that I know of, and we tried and looked for all over the world, that is completely based in the cloud and completely lives and integrates in the 21st century technologies.
So I take it then, this is where you see the industry to be headed with the cloud-based solutions, ticketless.
If you ask me, I would say it was supposed to it was supposed to go 2 years ago, but I guess because of COVID, it was a little bit slowed down, but now it's accelerated in 2 times, 3 times faster. So the industry is not just going that way, it's running. In Israel, of course, which is our local base, we are also install maintenance and everything by ourselves for hundreds of parking lots. And we see after the exit of COVID, that the amount of parking lots that try to become more and more automated and less dependent on, of course, manpower and other manual, half automated systems, and it wants everything to be in a full package solution. So we see today the market growing rapidly fast and asking for the solution that we 7 years ago started developing. So now we're actually completely prepared and ready to go spread worldwide, and of course we're looking for dealers from other countries.
Great. And so what kind of, let's say, companies would it be best suited for? Are we talking shopping centers, parking operators, cities? What kind of applications?
Well, today we are installed in, of course, parking systems in shopping malls, in office buildings, in hospitals, even in commercial areas that also the system only integrate with other systems just to count traffic and other entrances and exits of the sorry
Facilities.
yeah, of the facilities. But also the system that we installed today, as we can see, we have beaches, complete systems that is what, trying to charge uh, seats and umbrellas and tables. And we see more and more ways that people can see our system because it's fully ticketless, fully automated. Have more and more idea how to put it in our areas that close to parking, that people in fields that touch and can be integrated with parking systems. And but today it's too much work to try and take another system and integrate inside. So I think what we are trying to distribute to other customers and clients worldwide, that we can do almost anything that is comes with in touch with the parking lot, in, out, all the way to the beach, shopping malls, and
All right, and so I have one concluding question to you then. What are we looking at for the future of Technoso? You know, what are the next steps?
first of all, the next steps is going worldwide. Technoso is for too many years developing in-house, trying to manufacture and perfect the technology, the solution, the services close to home in more and more dozens of parking lots. Today we have more than 200 parking lots already installed and serviced in Israel. We have more than 400,000 vehicles crossing our parking lots every single day. So I think we are more than ready today to go worldwide and, let's say, spread the road, spread the road. So what we can do is completely change the way that people see parking lots, of access and experience it. So I think other companies will follow, and we try and make the entry and exit of the parking lot more ways of, let's say, user experience that will maximize the revenues. That's the goal.
Fantastic, Merit. Well, thank you very much for joining today, and I wish you all the best on that journey.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.